grandfather, come away. As the owner paid our blood price. Eh? Come away. Come.
What's going on? Don't.
This is the land I'm talking about.
All right. Tell Nnamani that I, Commander Bull, said he should stay clear of this land. I repeat, tell Nnamani that I, Commander Bull, said he should stay clear of this land.
Just like that?
Yes. He knows how powerful the name is. It's as simple as that.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate. And please, just accept this little thing as a token of my appreciation, sir. And greet your family.
Are you stupid? What's your business with my family? Bloody civilian. Bloody civilian. Bloody civilian.
Attention! Attention! What's my name? What's my name?
So the issue is that we are not going.
Commander Bush, sure, sir.
Adan, why didn't you greet the commander? Why? You saw him?
Commander who? No. Commander Onyibe. Why do you want me to greet him? Eh?
Commander Boo, of course.
So?
You don't know him in this community? You want to
him.
tell me that you are the only man who don't know him in this community?
Listen to me. I said I don't know Commander. Why do you want me to acknowledge him? Eh? No, that I should respect him so. For what? Listen to me. Before Commander was born, I was already in the army. Is it because he's wearing uniform? Eh? I don't want you to... Don't say this to me again.
You are talking of before the World War. That's what you are saying. Remember, this boy is the first young man to become a soldier in this community.
So?
He deserves respect.
Listen to me. That is for people like you. People like you who are drunkards and after drinking, they have no more sense. No sense in the brain. Do you know I am a retired soldier? Do you know that? If not for the Civil War, by now I would have become a brigadier general. You have no respect for yourself. You want to respect that small boy. Continue to give him respect.
Because you should stop this.
My friend, move. Be careful, though. Will you shut up? Stop! Why is this parade ground dirty? I can see you all have lost your sense of reasoning. 2YC.
Commander, sir.
Explain the meaning of this insubordination.
Commander, sir. The duty of keeping parade ground neat was shared amongst your wives.
Correct yourself.
Sorry, sir. The duty was shared amongst the soldiers, and the person supposed to keep it neat is yet to do so.
It is bad enough that you all can't make babies. To crown it all, my parade ground is dirty. That's double offense. It's a big insult and a slap on my face to what I represent and what I stand for. I'm disappointed in you all. No commander walks into a dirty parade ground. My friend, stay one place. Come here. No commander walks into a dirty parade ground. I will punish you all for this. Now, shut up! No one talks when the commander is talking. Fall like a tree, fast! Good. Turn around, face off. Face up! Face up! Good. Bloody civilians. Bloody civilians. I'm coming for you all.
Why didn't you tell the commandant that it was at that custom to clean the compound? You just allowed us to suffer for nothing. Why? Why do you have to keep your mouth shut? Eh? I don't like it, oh. You see my name? I called your name. Nate. Allah was begging to ban. What am I your mate? Am I your mate too? Wait. Don't you know that I'm the first wife in this compound? And I should be excused from all the house chores? Because you don't have respect. Shut up! She spoke the truth. My name. Shut up! She spoke the truth. You're the one to be punished and not us. Because we're not nothing. Come on, shut up. I said shut up. Shut up. Are you my shut up?
Commander, sir. They are making noise, sir.
So you have the guts to blab, eh? Oh yeah, everybody lie down. Fast! Lie down! Lie down! Face up! Face up! Make babies, no! Go for peacekeeping, no! All you do is waste my food. Useless bloody civilians. You will remain here till nightfall.
Breathe in.
Mama, you're welcome. We're under punishment.
Punish Guinea.
Men.
Eh? Eh? Hey! Nobody has started again, no? He has started again. I mean, how can he be so wicked? To ask you people to lie down on the ground, face sing this scorching song? I've warned you people to stop obeying everything he says. Come on, get up from this place.
Mama, we can't stand up. The only person that can tell us to stand up now is the commandant or his 2IC.
2IC, what about Can only have 2 weeks.
His new wife for Begedi.
Oh. Didn't she know that you people were his favorites before he came? Oh no, Maro. Why would she tell him? Please get up from this place.
Mama, Biko, do not put us into trouble. Nobody disobeys the commandant's order. We cannot move from this place. It's like barracks. Unless we hear him say, at ease.
Until he says, at ease. Okay, fine. Up at ease. At ease!
Mama, at ease can only be called by the commandant or his 2IC, not you.
This is Robert. And that's our body today. If I can't for one, then I may not want to work. Where are they? Eh? Where are they? They didn't even come because I said I'm not going to do them on me.
Indecent dressing is not allowed here. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
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 Good. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? And soldiers are known for? Soldiers are known for? Soldiers are known for? Are you a bloody civilian?
No, sir.
Are you a bloody civilian?
No, sir.
Who is a civilian?
Cockroaches, sir.
Who are civilians?
Cockroaches, sir.
Who are civilians?
Cockroaches, sir.
Good. Good. I have looked at you all closely and I found out that you have been eating too much. Oh yes. You eat 3 times a day. That's why some of you are running out of shape. You have been wasting my food for no just cause. So I'm bringing it down to once a day. Is my point clear?
Yes, sir.
Is my point clear?
Yes, sir.
So you people will start training with full force. What did I say? Full force. What did I say?
Full force, sir.
What did I say?
Full force, sir.
Good. 2IC.
Yes, sir.
Continue with the parade.
Yes, sir.
See, you, look here. Just take it from the ground.
Okay, sir.
You carry your hand, go down.
Thank you, sir.
Anikwe.
What are you doing on my farmland? Have I not warned you to stay away from this land?
You people should continue your work. He is a madman. Huh? Yes, he is a madman. When you are done with ranting, you will leave this place.
Oh, I am ranting on my own land. And you call me a madman?
Yes. If you are not careful, I will tell these boys to carry you out from this place.
Huh? Me?
Yes.
Now you will see a madman in action. Hey, stop that.
Anikwe. Oh yeah? Look here.
Get him.
Carry him out.
I just said,
carry him
out of this.
Carry him out of this place. Huh? He's talking of land. Land that you cannot even cultivate on a land. Carry him out.
Me.
Yeah, you.
Namani.
Yes, you.
Me.
That you deserve this. Carry him out.
Namani.
I will teach you a lesson you will never forget in your life. You. Land, you cannot cut, you cannot clear, you cannot farm on the land.
Will you shut up? Yeah, as your age grade or what? Listen and listen real good. My name is Commander Bull.
Commander Bulldog.
Better. How may I help you?
It's about the goat that I gave you yesterday. As a sign of my appreciation to you for agreeing to protect me and my farmland, I got to the farm today and met Namani and some laborers there.
Did you mention my name?
Yes, so I did. But he said to hell with you.
He said to hell with me?
Yes.
Good. All of us will dance in hell now. Are you mad?
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. See them there. See them there. See them there. They are sit there. Yes, I am back for you. I'm back.
They mentioned my name, and you say go to. Hey! If you run, you are dead. If you run, you are dead. You said I should go to hell. Commander Boo. They mentioned my name, Almighty Commander Bull, and you said I should go to hell.
He mentioned Captain Bull's name.
Come and lie down here. Like that, just be coming. Don't stand up, like that. Just be coming, fast. They mentioned my name. You said I should go to hell. Come here. You will visit that hell and tell me what it looks like. Lie down here.
Hey.
Where were you when I somersaulted from 21-story building during peacekeeping in Congo? Where were you? Where were you when I killed 94 people in 3 minutes just to save the kids? Where were you? It happened in Morovia. They mentioned my name and you said I should go to hell. Die. You, if you run. If you run.
Oh God. Johnson!
Muche, what was the smile all about? Eh? I
wish I would get lucky and have Commander Boo as a husband.
You want to have Commander Boo as a husband?
Excuse me? What is wrong with that?
Everything is wrong with it, Amuche. Everything is wrong with it. Are you trying to tell me that you're not seeing the suffering the 5 wives are passing through in his hands?
They are not suffering, Biko. He's training them to become soldiers. Yes!
What will he gain by turning his wife into soldiers? Biamuche, don't wish such husband for yourself.
All I know is that I am interested in him. Simple. You may not like him. That is your own business. As for me, I love such a brave man as a husband. And by the grace of God, I will marry him. Yes, sir!
I'm going to the street.
I wish you could hear me. I love you! Baby. I love you! Hey,
What do you think you are doing?
I'm only obeying the commander's order.
Eh? He gave you an order to punish your co-wives, and you agreed. Eh? Akunfo. Nobody did that. You agreed to punish your co-wife for what? Yeah, see never be listening. Never be coming.
Authority! Mama, I don't like this. You are not obeying me as the 2YC of this barracks.
You don't like it, eh? Okay, like it, yeah? If you don't like it, go and hit your head on the ground. Hit your head on that wall. Please, Konana. What do you call those here? Are you out of your mind? Come on, get out of my face. The reason why my son married you, you have never done your job in this house. You have never given him what he's looking for, and you have the guts to punish your co-wives.
Mama, I will give my husband what he wants from me.
Till that time comes. But never you accept to punish your co-wives anymore. Don't. Stop. By the way, where is my son?
I don't know. I will report to him when he comes back.
Hey, Kaku, why don't you go now and report to him? Look at you. They call them. Anoman. I said all of you should get up from this place. Sit there by Manisiano. By the way, why would you allow that little brat, a little girl of yesterday, to punish people like you? Eh? What for? Why?
We are not obeying that torture. We are only obeying our husband because you know how he behaves.
Obeying him and killing yourselves. Eh? What kind of stupid obedience is that?
Mama, you're acting as if you don't know your son. Who in this village will disobey him?
No problem. I will never allow him to punish you people again. Enough is enough. He is my son. I gave birth to him. I won't stop this nonsense. I'm not afraid.
Mama, after saying this, make sure you're around to protect us. Not after you go back to your house and we will still turn back to become soldiers again.
Enough is enough. I must stop this nonsense today.
We'll have to go lie down. Your son did not ask us to stand up. He will kill us if we don't. Better lie down.
Mama, we are not done with the punishment.
Ned! What are you people doing?
Lying down.
Eh? You are still lying down, even you.
Mama, you will not protect us when he comes, though. I'm lying down.
Hey!
Hey! I told you. Hi. I'm going to chop my money today.
You go to give me.
My 10K. If I don't,
give me.
No, wait.
Give me now.
I'll not give you. It's not my phone.
I'm you.
Okay. Do you want to?
Remember when I give you my own phone? You don't reach your phone. You don't use your phone.
In military service to our nation, Commander Budo.
Stop there! Hey. If you move, you are dead. I know your face. You are a walking corpse. In fact, you are dead. You are dead already. I know your face. Bloody civilian.
Commander, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Commander, good afternoon. Commander, sorry.
Hi! Hello! Hi!
How did you get this? How did you get this?
No, my friend, that boy.
That your friend?
He gave me the cup.
Come here.
Come! Please now. What?
Bloody civilian.
Yes, sir.
How did you get this?
That guy.
Calm down, Kobilo. Calm down. Talk to me. What happened?
Oh no. I have never been so insulted in my life. My only son, Ifeanyi,
is in the hospital now.
Almost beaten to death.
Beaten to death by who?
By that idiot that calls himself Nobat.
Because he does not have a child yet. Huh?
Nobat the soldier?
I don't care what he calls himself. He has no right to beat up my son.
Have you asked your son some questions? Because the Nobat I know is not a troublemaker.
No.
Something must have led
to
him beating up your son.
Oh no. My son did nothing to him. My son did nothing to him. He only said that he saw him on the road wearing a military t-shirt that he bought at Okrika and just started beating him.
What else are you expecting? Your son is wearing military uniform and is parading himself in the street. He's not a military man. So what do you expect?
Oh no.
Yes.
I don't like what you're saying now.
No. Whatever he is passing through, he brought the pain upon himself. Hey. No, listen. Nobat is a soldier and should be appreciated. In fact, should be respected for what he is.
Oh no. I don't like what you are saying now. Huh? I don't like it. He has no right to beat up my son almost to the point of killing him. He's lying in the hospital in a very critical state now, as I'm talking to you.
Huh? Well, as for that, well, I will come and see your son. I will come to the hospital to see your son. But honestly, you have to talk to your son. Caution him. Do you understand? Because whatever has happened to him, he brought it upon himself.
Hey, oh no.
Yes, I want to tell you one thing. I don't interfere with military matters at all. That is it.
Hey! Hey!
Nai, why have you abandoned your food inside? Eh?
Ne. I am disappointed at the way. Yes. I never knew that we have crowned a coward as a king.
My husband, you don't speak about our Igwe in such manner. What happened?
Of all the complaints tabled before the Igwe by the villagers about that non-entity, that coward, that vagabond who calls himself Commander Bull, I mean Novet, eh? Igwe never said anything and never did anything.
Makageni.
Oh,
why?
It is very obvious that Igwe is afraid of that little boy. He's afraid of him. Everybody in this village fears Nobet. Why? Oh, because of his uniform. I call that army camouflage. Finish. Nothing more than that. Listen, that I will not shut up my mouth. That boy is a small boy. He cannot do me anything. Has he ever fought war? War. I fought world war. And I received slaps from up and down and every corner. And I was...
Enough. What is your problem?
Onyegobu? Who is he?
Nai, everybody in this village knows that that boy is very, very deadly. Nai, please, I don't want to turn a widow overnight.
I'm warning you. You better listen to me.
It's all right.
You better listen to me.
It's okay.
I don't want that.
I'm back.
Adam, Mommy, welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Yes, I can see the tray is empty.
Trust me now.
Don't you trust my daughter
I trust her.
again?
Money too.
Eh?
Yeah.
Abeg, hold it. Don't mind your father. Eh?
Mama, I'm hungry.
I know you are hungry. Just go inside there. There's food there. Finish everything.
Thank you, Mama.
Just eat everything.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey, Adam, come. Please, I want you to help me and talk to your father. The way he speaks about this Commander
Bull.
Yes. I don't like it at all. I don't want trouble. Help me to talk to your father, eh? And let your father to know that the fearing of a soldier is the beginning of what?
Wisdom.
Wisdom. Talk to him.
Papa, Commander Bull is a brave man. Who said I even like him? And that's the kind of man I want to marry. You
said what?
I said I want to...
Shut up your mouth. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Marry who? Marry that non-entity. Vagabond. No. Don't say that again.
Eh? Papa is a brave
my if I marry my working, who is soldier? Who is soldier?
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth before I use this thing on you. Who is soldier? Look at your daughter.
Me, I said my own. No, that's man out to get married.
Nine. Nine.
Is it?
Yes.
Get out! Come on, go inside before I use this thing on you. Go inside, I will take it inside myself. Nine. In fact, allow me to do this game myself. Come on, go inside. Go inside. I'm off here.
Combatant soldier, he jumped down from 3-story building, killed 90 people in 3 minutes in military service to our nation. Commander Bulldog.
Commander Bull.
This your kind of visit at this time of the day to my place. I hope all is well, Commander.
Oh no. I need new boots. Yes, I need a new boot. So support my ministry.
Mantaka is okay. Commander, and how I want you here now the wood dear. And how Mopano Dikeh and Hunye. So, anyhow, it is. Can you let this one support the ministry?
Let us count it.
Until by 0.5 from we haki say 5K.
5 akinye no. No more give up to 5. I buy more than that. No more Commander Boo, listen. No. Have I asked you to kneel down in public before?
No. In fact, that will be the last thing I want to think about in my life now.
Have I removed your cap in public before?
No, Commander, no. I willingly used to remove it before you. I removed it now, you saw what happened.
Show some love. Add more money. I'm in a hurry. No, respect is reciprocal.
I'm on.
Well, Obagatok, it has come up now.
How much is there now?
Onto 7 point. Akisa.
Go inside. I'm done with you. I will leave when I'm done.
Commander.
Hey! Come here. You have been tapping wine in this community and you're not paying tax to anybody. Come here, my friend.
Thank you, my husbands, for honoring this invitation. Since I lost my husband, you people have been there for me and my son before he left to become a soldier. But I have complaints against Nobat.
Commander Boo.
Boo or whatever you call him is none of my business. He is Nobat, my son.
So, what about him?
You people know how he has married many wives just because he's looking for a child. I told him to be patient with God and continue his work as a man.
We are all aware of this now. Huh?
The reason I'm telling you this is that I want all this nonsense to stop. Enough is enough. He has succeeded in turning his wives into soldiers, making them face harsh punishments.
But the women are not complaining. They are enjoying the marriage.
Enjoying what? And what are they enjoying? Eh? They are all afraid of Nobat. They're not enjoying anything. I mean, how can a sane person enjoy punishment? It's not possible. So please, I want you people to help me talk to him. He barely listens to me.
Well, we have heard you. But you know how we and everybody in the village fear your son. Because I don't want to have any problem with him at all.
Mother, do I?
I see. I understand what you people are saying. But how can you people be afraid of Obelense?
Commander Boo. Commander Boo. Commander Boo.
He is my son, remember? I gave birth to him. So he must listen to you people. He must. Because I must follow you to his house. Let us stop all this madness. This is pure madness.
Abomination just happened in this barracks. This is the height of abomination. A bloody civilian had the impetus, the effrontery, the temerity to sneak into my private territory and stole my money. Me, Commander Boo, I won't take it. I will forgive only on one condition. Confess now. Stealing attracts severe punishment in the military. I wouldn't like to start. Confess now. I hate repeating myself. Confess now. Who stole my money?
Okay. You know I can't do such thing.
Will you shut up, you bloody civilian? Where were you? As my 2IC, this barrack is under your care each time I'm not around. You allowed a bloody civilian to move into my private territory and stole my money? For the very last time, I hate repeating myself. Who stole my money?
Rubbish! Nonsense! Balderdash! No one, I repeat, no one steals from Commander Boo and goes scot-free. No one. Not even in my next war. How dare you, you have the impetus, the audacity, the temerity to steal from me, Commander Boo? No, this is the height of insult. No one dares me even in my next war. Where were you when I somersaulted from 21-story building during peacekeeping in Congo? Where were you? Where were you when I killed 94 people in 3 minutes? Just to save children in Morovia. Where were you? Now you have the guts to steal from me? No. BBC, burying bloody civilians. BBC, burying bloody civilians. BBC, that's what you are. You have the guts to steal from me. In fact, you are dead. You are dead. Dead men don't talk. Dead men don't talk. Dead men don't talk. You people are dead. Say your last prayers. Say your last prayers in silence. BBC.
Commander, I'm the one that collected the money. What? Commander, I needed money. I'm sorry. I didn't have any money, Commander. Please, don't kill me.
It's you.
Hey, Commander, please. You know I'm the only daughter of my parents.
So you have the guts to steal my money and allow me come this far?
Commander, please, don't kill me. You know I'm the only daughter of my parents. Hey, Commander, you know I'm the only daughter. Don't kill me.
Akubido, my brother, I am very sorry. I could not come to see your son all this while. I'm very, very sorry. I was just busy. So how is he now?
He's getting better.
Oh.
He just got back from the hospital.
Oh, thank God, thank God. He'll be fine. But why our ego is condoning this injustice from this boy? Why? Why can't he deal with him? I mean, this boy, he's taking too much in this village. Is he the only soldier in this world that we all should run away from him in this village?
I don't blame the Igwe. That coward is obviously afraid of nothing. But Muabo Akubilo, I will deal decisively with him in this village. Mechasaya, after dealing with him, he will know why they call me Akwe.
I honestly hate that boy with passion. How can he just be terrorizing everybody in this village and if we will not do anything? Look, if I were you, I would have picked my cutlass and go to his house and deal with him. Nonsense. Well, how can he do that to your son and you leave him to go like that? It's unfair.
Is he not a coward soldier? All his mates are at Sambisa forest fighting in the Boko. He came back here sheepishly and became a tyrant.
Look, you need to go and deal with that boy. You need to deal with him.
Yes.
Show him that you're a man.
I will deal with him.
And I'm
dealing with him in this village. Yes. See, we know why they come here quick.
I trust you. I'm behind you.
Watch I say when I finish thinking him, you will know.
Yes, I trust you. Go ahead, go and deal with him. I'm solidly behind you. Nonsense. Do I see?
Yes, sir!
Where are the rest of the soldiers?
They are sleeping, sir!
As that got the wives or what?
Civilians!
Sleeping. As what? Dangote's wives, Abi? Stand there and watch this punishment. Carry that block. Carry that block. Hands up, fast. Hands up. You have the guts to steal my money. Where were you? Where were you when I somersaulted from 21-story building during peacekeeping in Congo? Where were you? Where were you when I killed 93 people under 4 minutes just to make sure there was peace in Uganda? Where were you? You have the guts to steal my money. Me, Commander Bull. Do I see?
Sir!
Stay like this till night. Do you understand?
Yes, sir!
Good.
Oh! Hands up!
Oh no, she. See you. Your time will soon pass. And I pray I will be the one that will pay you for your wickedness. Or to watch Dikeh. Idiots, you got what you deserve.
Look, Ned, if you're not here to console her, now get out.
Is it your body? Is it your body?
Ned, she's my friend and this is her body. If you have nothing useful to say, I say get out.
I will not get out.
I said, come on, get
out. Do your worst now,
mad. I said, get out.
Anyways, I just came to see if she's really in pains because she's a big thief and only lazy women steal from their husband.
Mama, what is it? What have I done this time around?
Just listen to yourself. You asked me what you did. Just go there and look at Adaku's back and tell me what you see.
Mama, I was only obeying the commander's order. Besides, she stole from him.
She stole from him. Just look at yourself. Listen to yourself. She stole from him. That is wickedness. You should go talk to your son that gave me the orders. You still have the mouth to talk. Okay, wait. I will deal with you. I will show you. I will show you that I'm the one that gave birth to that your commander. Mumoria. Mumoria.
Papa, you're still here. Papa, who is the man that just left our house?
Oh, it was Nnamdi, Ichiakabuze's son.
Ah, okay.
He's a trader in Onitsha. He came to seek your hands in marriage. So I told him to come by next week with his people.
Papa, how can you do that kind of thing now?
No. What is wrong in what I have done? Huh? No, are you not ripe enough? Are you not of age to get married? That is why I did what I did.
You said it yourself. I'm of age to get married, so let me get the husband of my choice now.
But you have not sent me any man. Eh? And that is why I have to take the decision for you. Eh? No, if you don't know how to decide, I think I have to decide for you.
But I cannot decide for me. Me, I'm not marrying him. I'm not marrying who I don't love and who I don't know. You cannot just bring any person come and marry me now.
Tururu. Listen to me, my dear daughter. If you are not prepared to marry that man, then you should also be prepared to out of my house.
Me, I will not marry him, Papa. I won't, period. I will not marry him.
Hey. Hey, well. Hey. You will not marry him then. Be prepared to get out also. If it is some... Listen to me. Listen. Listen, I want you.
Sir!
Commander, sir!
Commander, sir! What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? You allowed rain to drench my cap. My military cap.
I forgot, sir!
Shut up! You forgot. Incompetence. Gross incompetence. How could you? Come here. Your cap. You are no longer my 2YC. Hand over. Oh yeah. And for allowing rain to drench my cap, you will do frog jump for 2 days. Start there. Fast. Yes, sir. Good. Navy. Come here.
Yes, sir.
Good. Take. You are now my latest 2YC. She is under punishment and suspension. She have to do frog jump for 2 days. Monitor her. Good.
Commander Bulldog is a combatant soldier. He jumped down from...
Oh.
Stop. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
No, you are not. Since I dethroned you from the office of my 2YC, you have been fluctuating like a confused rain. You see your life? People don't know the value of what they have until they lose it. Next time you have to be more serious with your office. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now get out.
He's a combatant soldier. He jumped down from...
My love, I have always wanted to give you what you want. But I don't know why you have refused to make love to me.
Listen, it's not like I've refused to make love to you, no. But anyone beaten by a cobra by day will always be afraid of any black robe at night. I don't want to waste my energy again, no. I have 4 wives and they all failed me.
My love, don't say that. I'm convinced that I'll give you what you want. Not just that. My love, I'm convinced that I'll give you twin male soldiers. Don't lose hope. I will do that.
All right, let's give it a trial. Freshen up, let's make the night a memorable one.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Combatant soldier, he jumped down from 3-story building, killed 90 people in 3 minutes in military service to our nation. Commander Bulldog, Commander Bulldog is a combatant soldier. He jumped down from 3-story building, killed 90 people in 3 minutes in military service to our nation.
I salute Commander Boo. I salute Commander Boo.
What do you want?
Commander Boo, I came to show appreciation for the good work you have been doing in this our community. And as a means of showing my appreciation, I brought this yam, these 2 bags of yam and this money to you.
I hate repeating myself, so go straight to the point. Why are you here? You want me to punish you? Straight to the point.
I just came to tell you, thank you.
For the very last time, what do you want? What are you doing here?
Commander Abu, I'm very sorry. It's about the land. That land you chased me out from. Please. I want that land. I want to farm on that land. Anekwe is dragging the land with me.
But the land belongs to Anekwe, right?
Yes, Commander Abu. But he doesn't have the money to farm on the land. And you know we are in the season of yam plantation. I have the money and the resources, but he will not allow me to keep dragging the land with me. Please, Commander Abu.
So in a nutshell, you want to lease that land, right?
Yes. I need your help to actually talk sense into that man. So that you will allow me to use that land. You will allow me to farm on that land. Please help me, Commander Abu. Biko.
Your message is clear. Leave my barracks.
Barrack.
He is a great soldier.
Nai, don't you think you're being so hard on our daughter? Eh? Forcing her to marry someone she's not in love with. And Nai, ask her no when you beat a child with your right hand, you use your left hand to bring her back. And Nai,
but our
please.
daughter has come of age to get married. Eh? She has not brought any man to us. We want to see somebody in this house, a man. And let her bring somebody to us so that we know that, yes, if she cannot take such a decision, then I should do that for her.
Nai, she said we should be patient. There was never a time she said she will not get married. All she's asking us to do is to relax. She will bring the man. Why don't you calm down? What is all this, Nai?
Patient,
Abia State.
Abia State. So you agreed with that girl?
Nai.
You agreed with Okamaka? I know you will agree with her. Because you are birds of a feather. Yes. I don't know what is wrong with you people. I don't know what is wrong with your brain. Especially you women in general. You agreed with her. Now, where is the husband? Where is that husband that she so loves? If love is the matter. Okay, I will give her 6 months. 6 good months. And once she's not able to bring any man to us, she should be ready to pack out of this house. That's all. That's all. I've taken my decision.
No, it has not gotten to that.
No, it
now.
has. No, are you telling me you are not watching that girl very well? No, look at her 2 headlamps. I mean her breast.
Enough.
That is enough to even tell that she is ripe.
She is a baby to me, Nai. Nai, what is all this? Must you look at her breast to tell me her age? Why don't you concentrate on my own, Nai? What is it?
That is a signature tune. It's a signature tune.
She is a baby.
She's not.
She's a baby to me.
She's not.
Nai.
That breast has shown that she is matured. She is matured.
Look at you. Just tell me that you want to drink so that I will go and buy palm wine for you. You're looking for someone that will come and marry your daughter.
Stop. Just sorry.
He jumped down from 3-story building, killed 90 people in 3 minutes in military service to our
Commander Boo, show us, sir. Let's go. Yeah. Stop there.
Such a handsome young man.
Come back
Papa.
here.
I can't help
feeling so attracted to him.
Ah.
Oh my God.
Umuai. Let's go.
Papa,
Hmm?
please.
Can't you
promise
greet?
me you will help me to talk to him. Please, promise me.
Look, the farm work is waiting. Let's go and finish it.
No, promise me.
Okay. When I finish my farm work, we'll discuss about that. Let's go.
Papa, I can't wait.
Let's go.
I'm dying of impatience already. I want to
Are
become
you
his
deaf?
own. I want to become his wife. But the problem here is that he hardly looks at my face.
Okay, don't worry. Let's go and finish the work. We'll talk about it later. Let's go. Let's go. Hmm? Let's go. Are you sick or blind? Can't you greet? Now, identify yourself. Identify yourself. I hate repeating myself. If you don't identify yourself now, I will identify you my own way. Identify yourself, bloody civilian.
I am not one of your wives. Neither am I one of your admirers. I'm different from the rest, and that's my identity.
Moral.com. Moral.com. You know what? I won't waste my time on you. Thank your stars that I'm not with my koboko. I'll come and talk to your father in the evening. Will you use away from this place? Ugly bloody civilian. Ugly bloody civilian.
Honestly, I can't believe that this year I have not shared bed with my husband more than twice this year.
You're even lucky. You have shared twice. Me is only once this year. Ofuano, it can't equal.
It's not affecting me.
It's affecting me badly. Are we not humans?
We are humans. In as much as they try to treat us like soldiers, at least they should still know that we have human feelings.
Exactly, Ned. Exactly. He should start sharing the bed with us the way he used to share it with that Otocha. Who knows who will give him the child he's looking for? It's too much, and I don't like it.
Honestly,
what?
I'm considering sleeping with another man.
Sleeping with another man?
Alpha,
Ade,
how are you doing?
I'm fine. What's up?
Hi, I'm on my way to your house to see you.
To my house?
Yes, sir.
If I know, I won't bother myself coming out now.
But you need regular exercise to get your feet back. Yeah, bro.
I pray that God just take all these things away so that I can enroll to my academy.
Academy? Which academy?
Defensive academy now. I want to be a soldier.
You a soldier with this baby?
I'm serious. I want to be a soldier. And then I will deal with that idiot that called himself Nobet. And deal with him for what he did to my parents.
Mayo. Take it easy. How can you abandon your dream of becoming a mechanical engineer to a soldier? All because of what Captain Boo?
Don't call that name. I hate it and I must deal with him. When I'm done with my army, he might be an old man.
Okay, I've heard, I agree you deal with him. But your leg is still paining you. Let us just go to your house and continue this conversation. Oh, Biko.
My house?
Yes, your house. Don't worry, just calm down. I will deal with that idiot. Captain Boo. Not a boo, it's a bulldog. Don't worry. Oh, he's in the boat. Fine boy.
What is the excitement all about?
I'm pregnant.
Sorry, say that again.
I said I'm pregnant.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Like, you have Commander Boo Jr. in there.
A soldier.
Finally. Finally. At last. At last. Finally. So it's a dream. It's a dream. This dream must come to pass. This dream must come to pass.
Look, don't worry. When he comes, I will talk to him. He has no right to do that. Kobiano.
How will he be treating his wife as if they are
He
slaves?
cannot. You don't worry. Let him come.
Thank you.
Johnson.
Commander Boo. Shut up. You are not a military man. You're a bloody civilian. So don't bring down those hands. Say Commander Boo.
Commander Boo.
Hmm?
Sorry.
What are you people doing here without my consent?
We came because we come in peace, but your mother, we came because of what your mother said.
Yes, I told them that you were maltreating your wives. That is the reason we are here. You people should speak up now.
You have said it.
That is all. You have just said it all.
You people should talk now.
You have said it.
It's all said.
You have said it.
That's just why we are here.
Yes.
So you people have the impetus, the temerity, the audacity to walk into my barracks and tell me how to run my family.
Mbao.
We have not come here to do supersede. Just because of what your mother said.
She said it.
She said it.
Bloody civilians.
Yes, sir.
Where were you when I somersaulted from 21-story building during peacekeeping in Congo? Where were you?
Sorry.
I'm sure you were wasting your life somewhere with some prostitute.
Yes.
Where were you when I killed 94 people in 3 minutes in Monrovia? Peacekeeping. Where were you? I'm sure you were somewhere drinking ogogoro.
Yes.
You have the guts to walk into my barracks and in fact, 2 of you kneel down.
Hey!
Impossible! Ah! What a career! It's a rafifia kokoburo gera. En najugi. Egwo na tokwage. How can you order your uncles to kneel down before you?
Mama, that you are my mother, you have limit. Oh. If I signal 82 deep, you won't like yourself.
Let them come.
Sani and Musa, they don't hear English.
Let Sani and Musa come.
All they hear is fire. They would have handled you, Mama.
Let them come. Huh? It's a rafifia. What is your problem?
Kneel down.
We did not send it to you. She what? She said it.
Are you deaf?
Wait.
Kneel down, Oiso.
No bad.
Lie down. Lie down.
No bad.
Next time you don't cross my barracks, you advise me on how to. What is my name?
No bad.
What is my name? What is my name?
Hey! Hey! Ewo!
Lie down.
No bad.
Adako, I really don't think her husband is a soldier anymore.
Why do you say so?
Why is only him posted here in this village? Is there no other place to send him?
Well, that is what he told us and everybody that cares. Everybody in this village knows about it.
Me, I don't think he's still working with the army. I heard that soldiers are being paid very well. Why is he finding it hard providing for us?
Oh, Kamaka. We are too many. Do you think it's easy to marry 5 wives?
And he will still take more when his 2IC fails to give him a child. Because I know that one is certain. That man is here to tell us what is wrong with him. Me, I don't just understand him again. No. We have to make sure that that man is still genuine.
He's a soldier and he's genuine. Me, I have no doubt about it in my mind. He's not yet.
Me, I have, if he says so.
Oh, Anikwe. Thank God I'm meeting you on the road to tell you this very important information. The land has finally come back to me.
You are joking. Get out of my way.
You see, the table has finally turned around.
Unamani, I say get out. You are joking.
Eh? Money answer it all things. You see, Anikwe, you gave she-goat, a barren she-goat. I gave money. I mean money and 2 bags of yam to Commander Boo. So Commander Boo is mine.
You mean he took it from you?
You see, I'm just trying to help you, to warn you to stay off from that land. Because you know what happened to me the other day. I don't need to tell you this. You see, meanwhile, I want to go and see my workers at the farm. Anikwe.
Hey, what? Commander Boo took money from Namani. Hey! Commander Boo, you are not traitor Boo. In fact, you are Judas Boo.
Service to our nation, Commander Boo.
Authority! Quiet! You are in the presence of Commander.
Who I see?
Commander, sir!
What's happening there?
They are making noise, sir!
Huh?
They are making noise, sir!
Say they are making noise.
Yes, sir.
Shameless, bloody civilians. Is it not bad enough that you people are barren? You can't even give me an imbecile, talk more of a complete child, and you are there blabbing. I'm sure you destroyed your wombs, clubbing, smoking, drinking shisha. You can't even make babies, and you are there shouting and making noise. Listen. Number 1 rule in every barracks is discipline. Do you understand?
Yes, sir!
Do you understand?
Yes, sir!
I don't even like the voice of that yes, sir. Everybody lie down.
Hey.
Fast! Fast! Lie down!
Front of the back, sir.
Back! Face down. How dare you fight in my barracks? If you people are that powerful, why didn't you join WWE? Fight Hulk Hogan, fight Ultimate Warrior, beat John Cena and prove to me you have power. All Nurita rice and I have enough muscle. You. Will you fight again?
No, sir.
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 Idiot comparison. Bloody civilians. Even you. Will you fight again?
No, sir.
Will you fight again?
No, sir.
Bloody civilian.
No,
Bloody civilian. You. I have not even finished paying your bride price. That means I have not finished paying your bride price. You have the guts to fight in my barracks, okay? Will you fight again?
No, sir.
Will you fight again?
No, sir.
Will you fight again? Will you fight again? Will you fight again? Bloody civilian. Idiot comparison. You. Overfeeding is your problem, it's obvious. Overfeeding. After consuming my food, all you do is blab and fight. Will you fight again?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Come here.
No,
come back here. Bloody civilian. Come back here. Alon, Papa. You are wasting my food. Give me baby. No. I'm sure you are barren because of how you lived your life.
No, sir.
Ali Ekwina and Ushisha.
No, sir.
He said pussy guy say Igbo. And Mafia. Make baby no. Fight, yes. Will you fight again?
No, sir.
What is my name? What is my name?
Commander Jumbo, sir.
What is my name?
Commander Jumbo, sir.
What is my name?
Commander Jumbo, sir.
Bloody civilian. Will you fight again?
No.
Will you fight again?
I cannot, sir.
Will you fight again?
No, sir.
What is my name?
Oh, Commander Boy,
What is my name?
Oh, Commander Boy.
Eh? Amuchi, so you mean to tell me that you are now so stupid to have degraded yourself to a village prostitute?
Please, Chekube, do not call me names. Is it not my body? Eh? I gave it to the man that I love. And I enjoyed it. And I'll continue to enjoy it forever. Oh, Biko.
My dear, be very careful. Be very, very careful. Eh? Amuchi, all that glitters are not gold. They are not good.
Please, Chekube, if you don't want to accompany me to his house, please tell me. After all, I went there by myself the very first time. I can also go there on my own, okay?
I'm not accompanying you to that door.
Excuse me.
Why can't any of my wives conceive?